To manage Apple Pay two-factor authentication, start by understanding what two-factor authentication is. It is a security process that requires you to provide two different authentication factors to access your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. First, ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple device. Go to Settings, then select your name and tap on Password and Security. If two-factor authentication is not enabled, tap Turn on two-factor authentication and follow the prompts. Next, add a trusted phone number to receive verification codes. This number will be used to verify your identity when you sign in to your Apple account. To add a trusted phone number, go to Settings, select your name, and tap on Password and Security. Then, select Add Trusted Phone Number and enter the phone number you want to use. When you add a credit or debit card to Apple Pay, you will be prompted to verify your identity using two-factor authentication. You will receive a verification code on your trusted phone number, which you must enter to complete the process. To manage your trusted devices, go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Then, select Devices and look for the list of trusted devices associated with your Apple ID. You can remove any device you no longer want to use with Apple Pay by selecting the device and clicking Remove. It is essential to keep your Apple ID password and security questions up to date to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank or card issuer immediately. Best practices for managing Apple Pay two-factor authentication include using a strong password, keeping your device software up to date, and being cautious when receiving verification codes to avoid phishing scams. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely manage Apple Pay two-factor authentication and protect your financial information.